Are you looking for a modern institute that gives you real computer and technology skills? Welcome to Ctti Center for Technology Training and Innovation, a school fully approved by MBTE National Board for Technical Education. Your certificate is recognized worldwide. Here, you learn software engineering, networking engineering, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, business computing. But that's not all. At Ctti, we train you to become a skilled IT professional ready for global certifications like CCNA, Python, data analytics, web development, and many more. At Ctti, we combine theory with hands-on training so you can become self-reliant and future-ready. Don't wait. Enroll today at Ctti, the institute that matches your dream. Ctti is MBTE approved. Building your brighter tomorrow. Visit our liaison office at EK House, Lot 5D, Kanto Road, behind 10-story building, Kaduna, or our website www.ctti.edu.ng, or call us at 070-7871-0370.